In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a calendar to WordPress website. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to generate an events calendar using a particular plugin for your WordPress website. It is completely free to access, and it will give you a lot of customization options. To find this plugin, go over to the Plugins option at the left side of the screen, and then choose the option to add a new one. Once you choose Add New, you will be able to add the events calendar. So look for this particular plugin by the events calendar. This is what it looks like. You will find a lot of information on its page as well. So if you are curious to see how it works, to watch a video and all of the features included, then you can read everything here. There are a lot of reviews and most of them are going to be 5 stars. The installation is simple. So what you do is you choose the option to install now, and once it is done, this button will change to activate. So once it is properly installed, activate the events calendar. This will now add menus at the left and the top of your screen, so you will see events available here and here. Once you choose events, you have the options to view the current calendar and then add different events to that specific calendar. So there are a lot of options to explore. Sadly for this video, I won't be able to showcase everything, but it's as simple as choosing whichever you need. So when you choose Add New, you can set up an event to add to that specific calendar. You can choose the date, the time, give it a name, description, and so on. Everything will be available for you to manage, and it is free to use. You can acquire more add-ons if you want different features that aren't included with this particular version of the plugin, and overall it is simple to set up organizers, venues, categories, and organize everything. Once you click View Calendar, you can see all of the events that you've created here in a list form, monthly form, daily form, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to add a calendar to WordPress website. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.